Hi everyone. Question is that how we can predict the stability of large complex systems such as molecular interaction network, ecological system and power grid networks. As we know that such complex systems have two basic components, topology and interaction mechanisms. Dynamic behavior mainly interplay between these. To find the roots of stability, we seek the system linear stability matrix, namely its Jacobian. Principal eigenvalue of Jacobian matrix determine system stability. Positive eigenvalue capture instability and negative one capture the stability. The challenge is how do we uncover the structure of Jacobian given the scale diversity and multiple parameters characterizing real-world complex systems. Mathematically, Jacobian is captured by this formalism where network structure A determines non-vanishing of diagonal terms and W determines their weights. Diagonal entries are determined by the second term. 50 years ago, Robert May considered Jacobian matrix where diagonal weights are set at a constant value 1 and off-diagonal entries are set a random position with normally distributed weights. He observed that sufficiently large systems become naturally unstable since then diversity stability paradox is originated. Further studies have been considered heterogeneous connection instead of random one. Diagonal and off-diagonal weights are drawn from the two different normally distributed weights. Resulted Jacobian matrix also prohibits stability in the asymptotic limit because these Jacobians ignore the potential interplay between the network topology and dynamics. In our work to construct realistic Jacobian matrix, we consider this dynamical framework where M0 term captures the self-dynamics of node and the product function M1 and M2 describes the pairwise interaction. With the appropriate selection of these three nonlinear functions, the dynamical framework captures a broad range of frequently used models in social, biological, and technological systems. These four exponents are fully determined analytically by the nonlinear dynamics. Our framework also incorporate a set of tunable parameters. The global weight G capture the external condition via while the F captures the node or link specific parameters. For example, in epidemic dynamics, it captures the infection and recovery rate. AG represents the weighted network, and we find analytically that Jacobian weights are strongly intertwined with the topology via weighted degree and average nearest neighbor degree, and with the dynamics via dynamic exponent mu nu rho. Omega is fully determined by the system intrinsic dynamic mechanisms. We can see that resulting Jacobian matrix is fundamentally distinct from from the existing classical random matrix. Indeed, it predicts the emergent patterns in the structure of real-world Jacobian matrices that are rooted in the interplay between topology and dynamics. We can see here that for different nonlinear dynamics such as epidemic, regulatory, inhibitory, and population, the scaling relation is highly distinctive, although they are underlying the same model networks and relevant empirical topology. This distinction is because of the unique set of exponent mu, nu, rho, and eta. The principal eigenvalue asymptotically follow this relation, where exponent S and Q capture the interplay of topology and dynamics. In S, exponent parameter S depend on the sign of the interaction. Under cooperative interaction, it is 1 and it is 0 if the interaction are adversarial. S is stability classifier because in the asymptotic limit, it helps us in grouping all dynamical system into distinct stability classes. For instance, when S is negative, then this class will be guaranteed a stable class irrespective of rate parameters of the system. When S equal to 0, then the system lacks an asymptotic behavior and the stability of the system sensitively depend on the rate parameters. If S is positive, then the system will be unstable regardless of the model parameters. This instability class may cover May's predicted instability. Conclusion is that systematically we have translated topological characteristic into dynamical behavior using these dynamic determinants. We can use stability classifier in prediction of whether the given combination of topology and dynamics will exhibit stable functionality or not. I would like to thank my postdoc supervisor, Professor Baruch, and Professor Stefano and my colleagues in Bargel's group. Thank you everyone for your attention. For any questions and query, you can contact on this email address. Thank you everyone.